Alright guys, if your erections aren't as hard as you want them to be, if they're not lasting for as long as you'd like, or if you are struggling to get an erection at all, we need to look at the blood flow being sent down to your penile tissue. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact 4-day cardiovascular exercise routine that I would start following to start directing more blood flow down to my so that you can have better erections. Alright guys, if you are tired of guessing your way through workouts, I've got you covered. This 4-day cardio exercise program is designed to fit right into your week. It's gonna help you strengthen up your pelvic floor muscles. It's gonna help you to get into better shape. And third and finally, it's gonna help you direct more blood flow down to your penile tissue. Now, all three of these benefits, they come together, helping you to achieve harder and firmer erections. It's the secret sauce. And remember, make sure you consult with your doctor and physician first for a checkup, run blood work to get to the root cause of your problem. And lastly, shout out to Amazon One Medical for supporting our channel and for making it easier for men to get the medical advice they deserve from home. But more on Amazon One Medical a little bit later on in the video. Let's go. Alright guys, it's day one. Let's get moving. I want you to hit the gym, pick your favorite cardio machine, and go for 45 minutes at a moderate intensity. Don't have access to a gym? No problem. Get outside for a walk, go for a swim, or hop on your bike. Just keep it steady. You shouldn't be gasping for air during this workout, and you want to aim to hold a conversation. As you can see here, I'm adding an incline on the treadmill to up the challenge, but start slow and build up. That's cardio done. Tomorrow, we crank things up with interval training. Let's get ready to push. All right, welcome to day 2 of this training program. It is time to take it up a notch, gentlemen. I want you to pick a cardio machine such as the rower like you see me on here, and we are cycling between 40 seconds at a slow pace and 20 seconds of a sprint, repeating for 15 minutes total. I want you to start slow. This one is definitely gonna test you. Keep your pace for the easy section at a 3 out of 10 intensity, and then I want you to ramp things up to an 8 out of 10 intensity for the 20-second sprint. Again, if you don't have a gym membership, pick a cardio exercise like swimming or running and do your intervals outside. Just make sure you're pushing yourself in those sprints. Give it your best effort because tomorrow is a well-earned rest day. By the end of this workout, you should be absolutely dripping in sweat and feeling fatigued. Guys, pushing your body is one thing, but when it comes to erectile dysfunction, you might also need the help from medications like Viagra or Cialis to get the ball rolling in the right direction, if you know what I mean. Well, that's where Amazon One Medical makes life so much easier. You can talk to a trusted provider from the comfort of your own home, so no more waiting rooms and no more stress. And in many states, you can even text a provider for quick advice, or you can book in for a virtual consultation to get down to the root cause of the problem. Amazon One Medical makes managing your health simple and stress-free, especially for common concerns like erectile dysfunction, hair loss, anxiety, depression, and so many more. And here's the best part. If medication is part of your treatment plan, Amazon will ship the medication directly to your door, fast, discreet, hassle-free. So guys, if you have been putting off getting help with your erections or any of the other health conditions that their providers specialize in, now is the time. So go on, click the link in the description and in the pinned comment below, choose the health condition you need support with, get connected with a qualified provider, and bang, you get the treatments that you need. Your health matters here, gentlemen, so start taking care of it today by starting your treatments with Amazon One Medical. And again, a massive thank you to Amazon One Medical for continuing to partner with our channel and for helping us men get the help that we need and deserve from the comfort of our own home. So again, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Now let's get back to the video because we have 2 more workouts to cover to complete the most well-rounded cardiovascular exercise program so that you can get harder and firmer erections. Let's get back into it. All right, guys, exercise day number 3 of the workout program. Do you want to boost your endurance, your circulation, and your stamina without wrecking your joints? Well, if you're an experienced runner, I want you to go for a 30-minute moderate intensity run. But if you're new to running, try this walk jog routine instead, where you walk for a minute and then you jog for a minute at a moderate pace, and you are going to repeat this for 30 minutes straight. Now, this interval workout, it's going to improve your blood flow, it's going to build your stamina and help you ease into running safely. Now buckle up, day 4 is next, and we are completing the ultimate cardio routine for rock hard erections. All right, gentlemen, this is it, the final workout of the week, and it's time to fully empty the tank. This 20-minute challenge pushes your endurance with 4 different cardio machines. Here in the video, I'm using the bike, the rower, the elliptical machine, and the stair stepper, performing 5 minutes at a moderate intensity on each machine. Now, as soon as you hit the 5-minute mark, you're gonna hop off, grab a very quick sip of water, and then get straight onto your next machine with minimal rest, maximum effort. Guys, this one's really gonna test you, and if you are not dripping in sweat by the end of it, you didn't give it your best effort. All right, guys, let's quickly recap this workout program so that you can go and try it out for yourself. So day number 1 is a 45-minute moderate intensity cardio workout on the cardio machine of your choice. Pick a machine and don't stop for 45 minutes straight. Now, day number 2 is an intense interval training workout lasting only 15 minutes, where you alternate between a slow 40-second effort and then a 20-second sprint. Day number 3 is a walk-run workout where you hop on a treadmill at the gym or head outside to your favorite park and alternate between a 1-minute slow walk and a 1-minute slow jog for a total of 30 minutes. And finally, day 4 is a high-intensity interval training day where you choose 4 cardio machines and you complete 5 minutes in total on each machine with minimal rest in between.